Good morning from Juneau, Alaska. Mom and I just got off the giant ship behind us, the Radiance of the Seas, and we're here for almost 10 hours today.
She got her Alaskan cruise.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
By myself.
No, with me.
We came from Anchorage to Juneau now.
This is the third time I've been to Juneau, my second time by cruise ship, and I've put together what I think is the perfect port day itinerary for here in Juneau. This is the bus you want to take if you're going downtown. Good morning.
Good morning. Do you want me to pose?
Do you want to?
Have a good day.
Thank you. First thing I recommend doing on your port day in Juneau is actually catching the Gold Belt tram. Now, I don't recommend booking it in advance because if you're like us and you come and it's a bit cloudy, you're not going to see anything up there and it's kind of a waste. Luckily, Tyler and I did it a few years ago. The views are stunning if you're lucky enough to catch a sunny day here in Juneau. Plus, the cheapest prices are actually here in their store or online. It's only $60 per adult rather than whatever the cruise ship is going to charge you. So instead of the tram, that coffee shop is going to be our first stop, recommended through Instagram. So, are you ready for some coffee?
Yeah!
And it's right across from the tram station. Hi, can I just get a 16-ounce iced vanilla latte? They actually have a couple locations here in Juneau, and I didn't get one, but they have some gigantic cookies that look amazing. Thank you. Now we are ready for our port day. Something to keep in mind while you're exploring Juneau is that there are tons of jewelry stores and gift shops, so if you're wanting to do some shopping, this is a great place to do it. We will not be doing so much shopping.
I know.
Mom, do you want to wear one?
Are you kidding?
Unfortunately, there's a few more jewelry stores than I remember the last couple times I've came to Juneau, but if you keep walking and make your way to the Red Dog Saloon, they do kind of start to teeter off. Can you keep going?
Yeah, I think I can go.
A lot of people don't actually realize this, but the capital of Alaska is Juneau.
Oh, actually, I thought Alaska capital is Anchorage. So it's nice to know.
If you continue going up that street and turn onto 4th Street, you'll run into the Alaska State Capitol building. Personally, I think it's pretty nice looking. It might not be as impressive as other state capitol buildings, but it's a unique thing to at least come and look at.
This Capitol building looks beautiful.
Now, the Alaska State Capitol is closed on Sundays, but City Museum over there is actually open and it only costs $7. So definitely in the budget. Plus, inside the Juneau City Museum, you'll find exhibits on gold mining, the early days of the Capitol, and Native Alaskan culture. It's a small space, but packed with hands-on displays and local stories that really brings Juneau's history to life.
Always the worst to come. Informative, but many things to see. Juneau history on TV.
Judge Thomas Stewart was one of the authors of the Alaska Constitution.
The original plan was to actually head out to Mendenhall Glacier, but it took us a little longer to explore downtown, walk out to the state capitol. So instead of doing that, which, side note, I do highly recommend the Mendenhall Glacier, and the lake there is absolutely beautiful, and the hike to Nugget Falls is pretty easy also, so that's a great addition. But instead, since we're cutting it close to our tour time, we're going to explore some of the foods here in Juneau. There's a couple things we saw while we were walking around, a couple of recommendations that we got on Instagram, so we're gonna go stop by those before making it to the highlight of our port day here in Juneau. Alright, apparently this spot has a salmon donut, so we're gonna go try it. Brioche donut, not sweet, topped with whipped cream cheese, smoked salmon, and chopped chives. Hi! Do you have any of the salmon donuts? Can I do one of those?
Yeah. Is that it?
Yeah. You get the first bite. Oh.
이거 어떻게 먹어?
그냥 한 입 먹어봐.
I check.
Uh-huh.
Oh, yeah. Not donut, bread. It's like a sandwich bread on the bread.
All right, my turn.
It's like a
Really good salmon spread, actually.
couple lunch.
Definitely not like a donut. More like a salmon spread sandwich. Pretty tasty.
It's so big. It's just a 2 persons lunch.
Good thing we got a box.
Oh.
The salmon donut was pretty tasty, a really good snack, but we saved the rest for later because we have one more stop that is also food related. Next stop today is Deckhand Dave's, the most popular taco place, I think, here in Juneau. We got a ton of recommendations on our Instagram to go here, so I'm making mom stop. Hi. What's your most popular taco?
Probably the halibut taco.
I'll just do one of the halibut.
Just a single halibut.
Yeah. The funny thing is, last time I was here, this was all just like a temporary tent and they had like 2, maybe 3 little stands of food. Now it's all just permanent food trucks. They've got a really nice seating area and we'll see if it lives up to the hype. Mom said she's too full to have any.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, I'm very full.
Oh, that is a good taco. Definitely worth the stop.
Can I bite one time?
You said you weren't hungry.
But you said it's so good.
Yeah, you can try it.
Okay. It's good. It's good.
The tacos are pricey. I think it was over $7 for that one taco, but it was good. All right, Mom, where's our last stop?
Last stop?
Yeah.
You said, Fudgy's place. Famous Fudgy place.
Oh, it smells like
So
sugar.
good. Cooking.
This is a vanilla with crushed Oreos, cookies and cream.
Cookie and cream.
Fudge, yeah?
It's a fudge.
Fudge.
Fudgy. Oh, yeah, it's fudgy.
We got the Mount Juneau mint chocolate fudge. We only got a half because that's the smallest that you can get. Also saving this for when we get back on the boat. Otherwise we might explode. We're officially done eating at all the different places here in town, which is perfect because we actually have to make our way back to the pier to go find our tour that starts in a couple minutes here. Where do we go?
Where?
Yeah.
We need to go back to the ship. Anya. Go to see whale, you said.
So, fun fact, Juneau can hold quite a few cruise ships. We have 3 in today, 2 that are Royal Caribbean, and 1 that I'm not sure what it is, but lots of people in at port today.
Please do me a favor and tear your ticket down that perforated line.
After catching the shuttle bus back to our port area and then catching another bus to this harbor, we've now boarded our boat and are heading out on the most exciting part of our port day, which is a whale watching tour. Tyler and I actually did one last time we were in Juneau, and it was the most amazing whale watching tour we've ever done. So I have pretty high expectations, but we'll keep our fingers crossed.
Oh wow. There's baby. Baby didn't show up. Not quite strong enough. Another tail.
Are you ready to see some whales?
Yeah?
We are watching our first whale of the boat ride right now. We were on the boat for maybe 20 minutes before someone first spotted it, and it's just been hanging out in the area. There's a couple boats watching it with us. And it's just been going up and down, and it is absolutely beautiful seeing that tail come up and go down, and it's already been just an incredible time.
I watch. Yeah, whale. Pretty big.
We just had a little coffee and donut break, which is all for free downstairs. Cheers. So this is my favorite board they have here, all the whales in Juneau. And the one we've seen so far is this one, kelp. He's the one we saw outside. So hopefully we see a few more. Already made it to another spot that they're saying is a hot spot for the whales. So we'll see what we see.
Spectacular. Wow. When you see it close, oh, it's a giant. You can see the muscles. Wow. Three whales. Giant. They're monstrous. It's not cute. So big.
It's what they have instead of teeth. It's in their mouth. So it's the same stuff as your fingernails and your hair. So imagine a gigantic fingernail.
We ended up seeing 5 whales on this whale watching tour today. And although that doesn't compare to the last time Tyler and I were in Juneau and did a whale watching tour, it was still pretty spectacular. If you want to book this tour on your own, it is through the local Allen Marine Tours company, so I'll link that below if you want to book directly. Maybe save some money that way. Before our birthday here in Juneau officially comes to an end, we have one more stop that we want to make. Our very last stop, of course, had to be Tracy's King Crab Shack. I had to at least let Mom try it. Are you ready?
Thank you very much.
Is it touristy? Yes. Is it delicious? Also, yes. Definitely a splurge, but worth it in my opinion. Thank you.
Yeah, it's fine.
Oh, no, that's okay.
Very good.
Thank you. My stuff is good. Hands down, the best way to end our port day here in Juneau. Make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow in Skagway.
I'm away.